guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily change font style in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up your file. Now if you have the Adobe Acrobat subscription, you won't have any problems in editing your file, including editing the text. Now from here, at the top corner of your screen, click on Edit and simply click on your file directly. This will open up the small panel at the left where you can easily change the size of the font. Head over and highlight the text that you would like to change the size. Then click on the font size drop down menu and change it to the size that you want. You can also type in the size manually for exact measurements, and that's how you can change the font size in Adobe Acrobat. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!